Good evening, everyone, my Facebook friends. This is Fox Insights once again. I just want to give my reaction regarding what happened in the Senate impeachment trial conference of the Vice President. Well, natatawa lang ako kasi nga, if I remembered it correctly, there was an issue in the hearing in the House of Committee on Justice in the lower house that they conducted the previous months, led by same person here in the Senate, in the person of Jervil Wistro. When during the hearing, they agreed to subpoena the Bureau of Internal Revenue of the BIR to produce the tax records of the couples, the Vice President and his husband, Manscarpio, Attorney Manscarpio. Well, of course, the the bureau responded to the subpoena and brought there the tax records of the couples, but in a sealed box together with the commissioner. Then, pinagtalunan po nila, they argued, and nakarating nga po, and then napunta po sila sa parang botohan kung saan majority of them did not agree to open it, but some of them, De Lima, Sendanya, Jokno, Redon, those are the members of the Committee on Justice, agreed and eager to open it there, but the commissioner of the BIR cited some provisions pertaining to the issue of the opening and disclosing the contents of the sealed box. Now, back to the Senate, same same scenario was happened again. They failed to open it, the sealed box, and if we watch the press conference where Jervil Luistro talked or spoke, you can see the facial expression of Luistro. Talagang ano siya, she was extremely dismayed or disappointed of the outcome because yun nga, na-fail na naman yung kanilang inaasam-asam na sealed box na galing sa BIR. Well, kung ano ba kasi ang laman yan, talagang abangan natin yan sa pagpapatuloy ng impeachment. Hanggang doon lamang po, and good evening, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Please like, comment, and share na rin po kung mapanood nyo itong aking video. Thank you.